What's going on, guys? We're back at you with a brand new video. Today we're going out to Haspin Acres for their prep practice so we can get ready for their race tomorrow. There's a few things that I want to clear and things just to help my overall speed. Caden Davidson's going to be out here and he's going to be practicing some FMX, which is going to be really cool to see. And yeah, I'm just overall excited to get out here, so let's get right into it. After the finish line.
Cool down here, man. Instead of walking it. What's that? Just cool down here. I'm probably going to. We gotta leave at 1, and I gotta. I probably will have.
10 minutes, 50 cc's. You're up.
Go, 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 go! Yeah!
Oh, that was good.
Dude, that's awesome.
Yeah.
Do a front flip or a back flip. Oh god. Dude, get on.
Ryan gonna practice on it? Where'd you get mine? Oh, you done?
It's so sketchy, dude. It's weird. Holy crap.
Backflip!
Oh yeah.
Oh! Oh!
Yes.
Hey, give it look good though.
Sick. Is that a flat landing?
10 feet. We're at 65 feet right now. Guys, Caden wanted it moved back to 75 feet, so we just got it moved back to 75 feet. It's all lined up. He likes where it's at. Gonna give her a send here in a minute. We'll come through, size it up. Sizing it up. Probably hit it the next time around. Beautiful. Greased it. They greased it.
Well, guys, the practice went phenomenal. I made some great progress. Hit the double over there. Hit the other double over there. I'm feeling great as a rider, and yeah, I mean, I'm just super stoked for tomorrow. Hoping for the best. Hoping for a, I'm not hoping for anything. I'm just hoping for a good race, clean. And yeah, I'm real pumped. Yeah.
Got all your gear up here.
You rolling.
You got all your gear up here.
Roll up the windows.
This is sick. That is awesome. I want to get the outside of it too. That's the setup. Lazy days.